Smart, quiet, and dependable, the Friedrich Chill Premier Room Air Conditioner checks off all the boxes that are important to you while staying at a price point that's important to your budget. The Chill Premier design is sleek in a neutral two-tone color that complements and easily blends into any decor. Chill Premier is available in a wide variety of options to suit your needs. Models range from 5,000 to 24,000 BTU, with both cooling and electric heat models. Chill Premier also comes in a fixed chassis for fast, simplified installation and a slide-out chassis for more permanent installation. The eco-friendly Chill Premier line features many Energy Star qualified models and some of the highest EERs in the category. All feature a money saver mode that reduces energy use and costs in addition to a 24-hour timer that programs your AC to turn on or shut off at a set time. Chill Premier also offers 8-way airflow distribution for improved cooling throughout any room, as well as a washable antimicrobial air filter to reduce bacteria and air pollutants. Home or away, you're in control of your Friedrich Chill Premier. Integrated Wi-Fi for on-the-go control using the Friedrich Go app from any mobile device, plus smart home voice command compatibility with Google Home and Amazon Alexa make it easier to take control anytime, anywhere. The Chill Premier line is built with Quiet Master technology for a design up to 25% quieter than the competition. Engineered with heavy-duty insulation, stiffened sheet metal, vibration dampening counterweights, and wider discharge vents to optimize airflow, the Chill Premier keeps you comfortable while offering a noticeably quieter cooling and heating experience. Since its founding in 1883, Friedrich has focused on one manufacturing standard: quality without compromise. And the Chill Premier line continues our legacy of dependable, quality products engineered with superior components and scrutinized under rigorous testing to earn the Friedrich name. Chill Premier is backed by our 1-year in-home parts and labor warranty, as well as a 5-year sealed system warranty with a broad service network, a team of technical experts, and our US-based customer support to ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you're looking for premium features like smart home connectivity in a quiet, dependable, and affordable room air conditioner, then look no further than Friedrich's Chill Premier. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.